So again, this is a cherry pick chart. You can see that the market consolidated a while before reaching our target, right? And in this case, it then continued to rally up higher. So you can see that the concept of swing trading that I'm trying to share over here, why I don't like to set my target at the extreme end of the lows, because support and resistance, it's an area on the chart. It may not get to the lows of this support before it rallied up higher. So if your target is usually a bit too far, right, beyond support and resistance area, let's say somewhere about here or here or here, you may not get filled, and then you'll see how the price will then reverse against you and then hit your stop loss. So that's the reason why usually when I set targets, it's usually a bit more conservative, right? It's before support and resistance, right, on my charts. Now, besides the quarterly open, you can also use other type of opening prices, right, to define your area of value. So this is going to be fun, right? Pay attention. And by the way, if you're enjoying this training so far, smash the thumbs up button. If not, hit subscribe. So as I was saying, right, the quarterly open is one way to define your area of value, but it's not the only way, right? You can use, so some other open that I find useful are, let me just list up over here for you. Number one, we talk about the quarterly open, right? That is useful. Okay. Number two, the yearly open is useful as well. YO, yearly open. And number three, the previous year's high or the previous year's low is useful as well. Okay. So where do you get all these indicators? All free on TradingView. Let me just show you. So the yearly open, right? You can just go to here. I just show you the settings. Just look for yearly open levels, right? Just go to indicator. You search for yearly open, right? Something is going to pop out, right? And you know, just go ahead. I believe this is the one I'm using, yearly open levels by Joachim Hillam. I believe so, right? So you can see yearly open levels. The other one would be the previous year high or the yearly high, low, yearly. So you can go to indicators, search for high, low, yearly. I believe this is the one I'm using. It's this one over here by Repo32. Okay, so this is the one. So again, I have all these indicators up already. So I'm just need to release them, right, on the charts as and when as I need to. So again, right, nothing has changed. The price action strategy is still the same. Number one, we're looking for a market or a stock in an uptrend. So this stock is pretty much in an uptrend. Okay, so as you can see, right, in an uptrend, you have multiple area of value to trade from. This one here, this one here. So now that we have identified our area of support, area of value, the next question is, when exactly do we enter the trade? There are professional price action traders who just have limit orders. They blindly just enter from the area of value. But for me personally, I prefer to wait for an entry trigger, a confirmation that tells me that, hey, the buyers are stepping in to push the price higher. And to look for entry trigger, there are two very common candlestick patterns that you can pay attention to. Number one is what we call the hammer. That looks something like this. The second one is what we call a bullish engulfing pattern.